You guys might be wondering why I've got you out here in the woods like this today and I'm dressed in a t-shirt and shorts like this. Well, I got something to show you today, and I think you're going to like it. There's a whole bunch of trout in here. Oh, I bet the water's 50 degrees. There we go. It feels fantastic. I know you guys think I'm crazy, but it's really, it's just amazing. I'm like a kid today. You can't beat it.
The benefits of cold therapy are simply outstanding. It releases so much dopamine and growth hormone, and it just makes you feel amazing, and I can't recommend it enough.
You guys have no idea what you're missing today.